The question is, what do you want to style? I want to style P. See, P. Okay, so that's why you now use P, curly bracket. Now your code will now be here. Let me paste that code. Your CSS code will now be here. Check it. Let me write it again so that you understand it. Color white, background color black, font size. Let me use 12 this time around. Padding, all the spaces between, let's use 10 pixels. Border radius, that what we call border radius should be 10 pixels. Font family sans serif. So let's run this. You can see now in this font family, what if you don't know the font family offhand? Let me give you a simple way. If we have a Microsoft Word installed in your system, open it. Now in this Microsoft, come to this, you can see calibrate. Click here, Cambrai, Calibre, Times New Roman, all these things. Okay, let me give you one example now. Let me selecting anyone you like. You let me. So if you want this, you see this. Hey, see how this one looks like. What is the name? OG brand. So copy it, paste it here, and see how it will work. Wow, you see. So this is Expo. This is Expo for you. You can see many fonts. Anywhere you like, pick from here. Pick from here. You can. The best way is this. The best, you can say it works. Now, what if the mobile device that wants to run your website does not understand this particular font? It's okay for you to now have alternative. So you need to have alternative like comma. So that one will give alternative. You can see it takes the second one. So that one will give like alternative if a particular font is not installed. So it takes this one. Alright, that is how we do about internal CSS. What about external CSS? So let me quickly explain that. This is how external CSS works. This P, cut it. This is our CSS. Remove it. There is no CSS inside this website now. Okay. So external means a file that is outside. We now want to move it in so that it should be, its action will be reflecting in this site. So what will you do? You now, maybe CSS, okay? Write link, type link. You can see what generates when I press enter. You see href here. So what is the name you want to include into this page? Call it style.css. Save it. Run this program. What happens? Nothing. It does not take any effect. That means this file you've not created. Let's create it. Control N. Paste this your code. Control S. Let's paste it style.css. You can see style.css. Mind you, where did I want to put this file? Inside our lecture folder. Okay. So now let's run this our program. Wow, you see that it works. Okay. But see, my Sublime is long. What we do? View, wardrobe. So it's okay now. One more thing is the file I'm working with here is inside a folder called lectures. This style also is inside a folder called lectures. You want to put in another folder. Maybe you want to put this style.css in another folder. Maybe another folder is called example folder. You now write it like this. Example slash. If you put inside the folder called example. But if there is no in any folder, leave it like that. Okay. What about links? A link, just a simple method you can use to link your website from one place to another. A link, you start with what? A anchor. That's a link. Is now href, hypertext reference. Hypertext reference. This href, this one. So it means hypertext reference. That is hypertext reference. So that's the meaning of what? Href. Okay, what about it? This A? A stands for anchor. A, like this. Anchor like this. So that is A. Okay, now how will you now use it? Very simple. Come inside this href, that is where you want this thing to link to. Let me write another .html. You get? So go to new page. Close that A. Anything you open, you must close it. Save it. Come here. You can see. Go to new page. So if you click on this page, it will take you to another page. Let's click it. Wow. Your file was not found. Why? Because you don't have any file like that. So let's quickly create a file called another.html. Inside this folder we are working on. So this one, let's put h3 welcome here. So from this, go to another file, you can see another.html. So this one is a file, That's the file we just create now. You must check this name of this one and the name of this one must be the same. Another.html. What is it? Another.html. So let's now go. It will work now. So click here. Wow, welcome here. You can see. So it takes me to another page. That's how to work on link. So if you want to design this underline, you want it to go, you can just write style inline CSS. Let me use inline CSS this time around. Inline CSS, that's text decoration should be none. Let's see what will happen to it. Well, it's gone. So that is it. When we get to CSS, we explain better on this A. How to style A. Alright, what about images? Images is this. Let me firstly get one image to use. Now, the image I want to use. Okay, let's start like this. Image img. You can say img. Press enter. src, that's source. It means where is the file? Where is the image you want to use? Bring the image in. Let me put the image inside the folder we are working on, lectures. Where is the folder? This is the folder we are working on. So you bring your image here. You can let me put your image in this folder. So let's put the image here. It's inside that image. So this is our file. This is the